All right, you are rolling.
1, 2,
Cheers.
3,
These things
4.
look
Ready,
painful.
set.
They absolutely do.
There's nothing good.
I'll tell you when to say it. Hold on.
I mean,
We're not getting paid.
no. We're just dying.
Literally bond.
Ready?
Okay.
They're
Can I
ready
say
to.
ready?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell you,
10
whenever-
times.
Whenever they say they're ready, then we'll say ready, say go.
Any
Are you ready
last
yet?
words?
Any last
Yeah.
words? Everyone, I love you. And
Everyone
farewell.
ready yet?
All right.
Yeah.
All right, lady, go ahead.
Ready, set, go!
Okay. I'm all right.
I think Jeff got a seed. Willie swallowed his.
Oh boy, it's starting.
Oh God, go away.
Hold out as long as we can.
Oh. Ah! Sorry. I'm not good with hot stuff. Oh. Oh.
The first two. Here we go. Yeah, you guys have went well over a minute, man. Yes.
He just cleaned out all the...
Oh. Oh, it doesn't go away. It just gets worse. Oh, it's up in my ears. Oh, it's definitely gets worse.
Milk doesn't do anything.
Oh, it gets so much worse. Oh.
What was the Scoville count on this?
2 million?
2 million.
So hot.
Oh.
You were tolerating this on a level I can't
It's
comprehend.
beyond.
Yeah, on a level I can't even comprehend, dude.
Ah. I just want the milk to stay.
God, don't rub your eyes. I'm so scared.
Oh,
Hold the milk in your mouth.
oh my ears. Oh.
It doesn't go away.
Not at all.
It gets
Really?
worse.
Does it?
Yeah.
You tell me when you want me to stop, man.
Don't stop till we're done.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Is it colder than that?
Oh God. Ah.
Now it's very cold.
Ah. Ah.
This can't go away.
That can't go away.
Not at all.
Oh God. Ah.
How long's it supposed to last, dude?
I don't know, but this is, oh gosh.
I did no research.
Ah.
He said I didn't know no research.
Jeff, you all right?
You hadn't even said anything. It made any noise.
Ah.
Dude,
Jeff's a champ.
I have no idea, like what demon Jeff has conjured. To...
Oh.
Oh, it hurts so bad right here.
Yeah. And the ice cream is about the only thing that helps for more than just a second. The milk helps, only while you're drinking it.
Ah.
Oh.
All the books came.
Ah.
Bread does nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Bread laughs at you.
Hey, you try it? Oh. Oh. Oh, my ears.
Oh my Lord.
So how is it compared to the bomb?
Oh, the bomb is nothing.
Bomb's like a milkshake compared to that.
It just stays.
It does.
It's not going anywhere.
And it sticks.
Ah.
Oh.
You got 3 more in there. You got another one out.
Oh, yeah.
You ready, Mutt? Oh. That's not good.
Oh.
Why, God?
I didn't do it.
Yeah,
This one was a man-made pepper.
yeah, this is all you guys.
Oh.
I think I'm getting all right.
You're
I'm glad.
recovering.
Somebody is.
That was brutal, man.
Oh, don't breathe out.
It just hurts to breathe.
It really does.
Breathe out. Through your nose when you can.
It hurts really bad to breathe. Oh God!
I gotta say honestly, for all 3 of you guys, you have fared much better than a lot of the videos that I've seen.
Just be like this.
Yeah.
It's only because they are dried.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The ice cream is the best.
Yeah, it is.
While you're eating it,
You can just never stop it.
you just can't stop.
It looked like it took a while for it to really
It
hit.
did.
Yeah.
It was fine
Did
at
it
first. I was
taste?
like,
Did
oh.
it taste okay at
The
first?
taste is actually really,
Really?
good. Yes. I will say the taste was excellent.
Yeah, it was very tasty pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
But it just
and they can finally start.
hesitates, and then it just kicks you in the ass.
It's like out of nowhere when it hits.
Oh.
It kind of built with
Daddy,
mine.
I need to taste something in your ear. Okay?
Oh,
Oh man. Ooh boy.
it sucks on your tongue.
It does feel like it coats your tongue almost.
Oh, it just sucks.
Oh Lord.
Two.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh.
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 All right, guys. What are 3 PG rated words that you would describe the Carolina Reaper with?
In one word. Ridiculous.
Why are you not doing my grief cap or like that?
Demonic.
I think nefarious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep your weapon and let it go.
Oh, I'm trying.
It's like an actual attack. It feels like it attacks you.
It waits.
And it's all the way from here up into your tongue.
Oh god, I just burped and I felt like it all came back.
Oh no.
I felt that fumes on it.
It just sits on
The back of your tongue.
Mhm. That's
right
yeah,
there.
Yeah,
the
like
roof
right
of your mouth.
Yeah.
Am I bleeding?
It feels like it.
Why?
Ah.
I'm like shaking.
Daddy.
Richard's a pansy.
Yeah.
Richard, you're a pansy. We're saving one for you. Next time you come in to visit,
You get the big one.
you get the big
Yes,
one.
since you didn't show today, you get the big one.
Oh,